Hi everyone! Today we'll build circuits with two new components, LEDs and resistors. So let's get started. Let's start with the LEDs. These are the LEDs you'll find in your electronic kit. They come in all sorts of colors: red, blue, green, yellow, white. Now each of these LEDs has two pins. If you take a closer look, you'll see that one of the pins is longer than the other. In a few minutes, we'll know why it's made like this. Now the second component that we'll need here is a resistor. An LED should always be used with a resistor in circuits. The job of the resistor is to protect the LED or other components from burning out. Now these resistors come in packages like these. This strip is marked as 10R. So this is a set of 10 ohms resistors. Ohms is the unit of resistance. Now these are 100 ohms resistors. Each resistor in this strip is of 100 ohms. Now this one here is 330R. So that's a package of 330 ohms resistors. Now here we have this set labeled as 1K. K as in kilo. So this is a set of 1000 ohms resistors. Here this one is labeled as 2K, that's 2 kilo ohms. So each resistor in this pack is of 2000 ohms value. So let's build our circuit now. So for our circuit we'll need one LED of any color, one 100 ohms resistor from the package marked as 100R, a 3-volt battery and alligator wires. We have a 3-volt battery here. It has two 1.5 volt cells. Again, make sure the cells in the battery are aligned the right way here. Make sure that you check the plus and minus marks in your holder while inserting your cells. And make sure your battery is turned off before you start to make connections. So this is the circuit we are making. First, let's connect the plus of the battery, that's a red wire, to the long pin of the LED. Now LEDs have polarity. The long pin is the plus of the LED and the short pin is the minus of the LED. So the long pin is to be connected to the plus of the battery and the short pin of the LED is to be connected to the resistor. So we'll use an alligator wire here. You have to be careful while connecting your LED with alligator clips. The metal clips should not touch each other. That'll cause a short circuit. You can push the pins of the LED a bit away from each other like this to keep the clips from touching. Now let's connect the short pin of the LED to the resistor with the alligator wire. And let's connect the other end of the resistor to the minus of the battery. That is the black wire. So let's clip the black alligator clip to the other end of the resistor. Now let's turn the battery on by sliding the switch on it and you'll see the LED light up. Now what happens if we connect the LED the other way? Let's switch the terminals of the LED here. And it doesn't light up. So does the LED have polarity? Yes, it does. It lights up only when the long pin is connected to the plus of the battery. It's your turn now. Can you build this circuit? Now let's replace the 100 ohms resistor with a 1K, that's a 1000 ohms resistor, and see what happens. You'll see that your LED gets dimmer when you connect it to a 1000 ohms resistor compared to when it was connected to a 100 ohms resistor. Now let's switch our resistor with a 2K resistor, that's a 2000 ohms resistor, and see what happens now. Our LED gets even dimmer. So what's happening here? As we increase the resistance in our circuit, our LED gets dimmer. So what's a resistor and what is it made of? Resistors are in between conductors and insulators. It's made by combining a conductor and an insulator together. This combination of materials gives resistors properties in between an insulator and a conductor. What happens if you connect your resistor the other way around? Does the LED still light up? So what do you think? Do resistors have polarity?